Don't hit me!
You don't love her! Why were you with her last night? You couldn't have done it by yourself? Run her hands through your hair.
I made it for you! It's over.
It's not over, is it?
You didn't believe
over.
in me.
It's not really over.
The only person I ever loved.
Oh, I love you too. It's not over.
It's the heart just like the inside of a rose. So how come when I reach out my finger?